Good morning. This is the setup of the three-way pressure transducer for the hearts here at Saint Vincent. Most likely your tubing and bag should be on your cart. If not, your tubing will be underneath these cabinets here, and your 500cc bag of normal saline would be left over there, underneath in the bottom drawer. There. Come over. We're going to grab our pressure bag. Make sure we have pressure tubing and a clip. Make sure your monitor is awake. Sometimes by hitting the power button, it will wake the monitor up. We're going to go ahead and open up pressure bag. Everybody will have a system that they like to do. I like to go ahead and pull off all the tape of everything. You want to take the waste for the arterial line, push it in. Open up your saline bag. And then go ahead and spike the saline bag. And put it into the pressure bag. I do not blow it up just yet. Go ahead and twist everything. Make sure the connections are tight all the way around. PA and CVP, make sure those connections are tight as well. Take everything over to the bed. Hang it up. The order is red, yellow, blue. I'm going to make sure your red is first with the pressure cable hanging down. Find my yellow. Place him in next. And then my blue. I pressurize the bag to where the green pops out. That's 300 millimeters of mercury. Turn the stopcock off to the bag. And then go ahead and connect up my cables. Making sure that red is connected to red. Pay attention to the orientation of how it goes in. Red, yellow, blue. And then take this guy here, and there's a space for him to go right on the back side. And now what I do is go ahead and start the airing everything. Now for the purpose of the video, I normally do this over a trash can, but I turn the stopcock off to the patient, pull the blue plunger, and I'm making sure water comes out, saline comes out at the very end. I then go ahead and take my red and hang them up there. I do the same thing for a yellow off to the patient. The air. I hang him up as well. And then my blue, CVP. Yellow is my PA. Off to the patient. Completely de-air. Come over to the monitor. First off, I open these all to air, basically turning them up to the ceiling. I come over to the monitor and I hit pressure all zeros. I want to see 0, 0, 0. Now, to keep the noise down in the room, what I then will do is go to alarm setup, press audible alarms, audible and visual alarms, alarms off, and that keeps it from beeping. I then come back and I turn these at a 45 so they don't leak out, and I leave it set up just like this. Normally when I first plug in the cables, I will see the arterial PA and CVP move. If you do not, make sure everything's plugged in accordingly. And that is the setup here at Saint Vincent.